Cancer, this is your reading for the remaining days in the month of April. That is the 22nd to the 30th of April. Let's see. Deep breath, Cancer. What's the message for you here? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. It's a collective general reading. Always keep that in mind for any channel that you watch. Let's see. Cancer. Days of April. Mending. Alright. The Fates. Round and round. You have been trying to make things work in a connection. Again and again, possibly without feeling, whatever this is. Cancer. Overall energy for the reading, Hermit, Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor, King of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, Eight of Swords, the Death card, alright, and the Four of Swords. We have the Tower as well that I saw, so I'll take it. You seem to go back again to where you were at. For example, if you had a fight with somebody, you may tend to work things around, work things out with your person, but eventually with the same you all may end up arguing possibly about the same thing maybe the next day. Eventually it keeps repeating itself. There's some sort of pattern here that you need to notice. There's something you need to know. But let's see. The overall energy for the reading is a Hermit. There's a need to go within and do some introspection of the self. In the past, you have the Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor and the King of Pentacles. There's a lot of stable energy here in the past. This could have been an issue about your finances or whatever is your source of income. For others of you, you or your person, somebody may have been way too dominating, commanding, and trying to be very authoritative in the relationship. In the present, you have the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. There's a choice that you need to make to speak your truth. Whether you want to, I think this is you who feels stable, and maybe your partner in some way is bringing, let's not say that, is not able to keep the balance. That's what I feel here. There's a choice you need to make to maybe open up and say that no, this is not right for me and I choose to do this my way. There's a need to speak your truth rather than flowing with your emotions, and you may be feeling that I shouldn't hurt somebody or I shouldn't hurt my person and it's okay, and allow them to do whatever they are. Possibly is not working out for you, for your own good. In the future, you have the Eight of Swords, the Death, and the Four of Swords. There is a need to put an end to the stress that you are going through. This is self-imposed. This is not something that you can't get out of. You see, this lady here is all okay. It's just that she thinks she is under this energy, or the vibration is such that it's pulling her down. It's actually not. I do think that you are putting an end to this. You do seem to come out of it, and there does seem to be a lot of healing coming your way. I think the healing comes with the truth that you speak, if you choose to speak your truth. With that, I also see a lot of sudden changes happening. A tower may come right through without even you knowing. That's how it generally comes, right? That's how the tower shows up. But yes, this is something that you see. Something that's happening suddenly. Some sudden realization, awakening. Let's see. Clarify Hermit, please. Hermit for Cancer. Virgo, Aries, Scorpio. These are the signs I see so far. 3 of Wands and the 4 of Wands. Wow. This has something to do with your commitment with somebody. There's a lot of you may not be I think Cancerians have that quality which sometimes doesn't act in their favor, which is of overgiving, overloving, overcaring. I think you are standing still and not doing anything about. There are some corrections needed in a commitment. I think you are, so at least that's not what you are doing at this moment. Standing still is good. Do that introspection, but eventually speak your truth. Eventually take that action. Clarify the Emperor in the past. Queen of Wands, 9 of Wands. There you are, Chariot. You did want to move forward, you did want to take some action. With the 9 of Wands being there, I don't think you did take that action. Queen of Wands energy is coming out as if Queen of Wands is generally somebody who takes action, but definitely here with the 9 of Wands, there are 2 cards that tells me that you want to take action, but with the 9 of Wands being in the center, I don't think you did that. Queen of Wands is an energy that sometimes ends up feeling small in some way, feeling that I'm not strong enough to fight this. Fight for the good, for your good. That's why you are holding back a little. But it's okay. I think eventually you will. When you think you should. Clarify 9 of Pentacles, please. 9 of Pentacles. Ace of Cups. Page of Wands and the Justice. There is a connection that you look at with a lot of curiosity. This not necessarily has to be a connection. This could be a feeling that comes from within. I do get a sense of you. I know you are trying to find or looking curiously at yourself, finding the balance within you. You feel happy in some way. That's what I'm getting here, Cancer. You feel happy in a way, possibly when it comes to letting go of somebody, possibly. Clarify the Two of Wands. Four of Pentacles. King of Cups and the Fool. Is there somebody who is already here? Possibly a water sign. There, that's you. Libra. There is somebody here who feels maybe a little closed off, somebody, but does carry a lot of love. The choice is with you, still lies with you. Do you want to jump right in with this person, or you don't want to? Ace of Swords. The Lovers, Gemini. There seems to be somebody here, and I don't think this is the past person. I think you've let go of this. Clarify the Death card, please, in the future. Queen of Pentacles. Six of Wands. King of Swords. See, air sign. I think it's the air sign. Somebody new comes in when you feel very content and fulfilled within, from within. Clarify the Tower, please. You put an end to being in the past. Hierophant, Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. You are leaving somebody, or somebody is leaving you. Somebody here seems to be a little confused about if this is a work situation, you may be presented with a lot of options. You may have a lot of choices. If that's what you're looking at, if that's what you are trying to see, new opportunities, if that's what you are seeking at this moment, then there is something new that you really need to do. There is something that no longer works for you. An old thing doesn't work. This old thing doesn't work anymore. So don't try to find ways to get back to what you were doing before. Try to see what is it that you love to do. There is a lot of learning here involved. See, you have the support and guidance. This is a spiritual lesson for you. You may also have somebody spiritual surrounding you, a mentor, somebody, a teacher, a guide of some sort, who may actually help you with this. The old way of being no longer works for you, Cancer. There is something that really is asking you to shift. No more holding back and no more being quiet. Instead, be out there. There's a need to be out there. That's what I feel. You see, and I've never noticed that there are these hands that show up, but there are. You see, it's as if she is the anchor, the host, and people are listening to it, as if she is the leader and they all listen to her, singing her praises or whatever that is. Alright, that's the message for you, Cancer. Take what resonated, leave what did not. Until then, keep vibing high, sweetheart, sending you love and light. See you soon, darlings. Bye bye.